Okay, good afternoon, Professor and everyone. My name is Kanukan Luchai, and today I will present about the chapter 3 that's talking about the assets, be faster, be easier, be everywhere, and always beyond. For the assets is the first core strategy for the customer network that can provide your customer to be easier, be faster, and always connect to the digital world. A business can provide your customer better access to the digital service, products, and also the communication tool. Can create a competitive advantage for the business by the delivering experience that customer network can value. This is the by improving the digital experience for the customer network and the employee. For the first one is the different is the products and the service. For the second one is optimize communication with the customer. And the third one, the increasing efficiency in sales channel. And the fourth one is increasing the speed of the business decision making. And the last one, improving the data transparency within the organization. For the develop an asset strategy require an understanding of the changing way that the customer access the digital network. What the new technology are they using? When, where, and how are they connecting to their online world? What are the key issue, problem, or the pain point that determine where they spend their online time, attention, and money? How are your own employees accessing the data and the process they always need within your organization and in the real time? This is the seventh approach to the asset strategy. For the first one, be on demand, that offer your service and the content to the customer wherever and whenever they want them on their schedule, not your schedule. And the second one, enhance the cloud. Make your customer data accessible to them from any device they use to cloud computing. And the third one, go mobile. Take advantage of how smartphone and device allow us to be the fully network wherever we go. And the fourth one, find your location. Use the location awareness to improve communication and target your customer with more leveling interaction. And next, be the real time to provide instant feed of the most critical information to the customer through the real time data service. And then next, the embed the network, provide the asset through the network connection that are becoming embedded in the object or around us. And the last one, keep it simple, focus on the simplicity and the easy of the digital access as a software and hardware grow, increase the powerful and the complex. This is talk about the beyond demands. The digital video records in the original chipper box, they have the put television program on the schedule of the consumer rather than the network. In this part, help watch the same program on the computer or the mobile phone wherever in the world. There are also put the schedule from the depend on time of the customer. It's not their time, right? And for the movie rental, also have the leadership from the retail offering to the mail order and on-demand stream served by the cable company and the web-based service like the Netflix, iTunes, and Amazon. Even the radio broadcasts have the shift to on-demand too. Like the NPR channel, they also consider you have turn on radio on at the 5 p.m. If the customer missed it, what they gonna do? The customer must to wake up early, and after that they go to the web page and also the ask the college what happened in the last night or something like that. But for now, the customer can receive the NPR programming at their own timing, and we are as a host of the option streaming audio podcast tag article on the web, like the picture in the last one. And this example about the bank that was also used on demand. Bank have found that they can save the customer service cost when customer use the bank online. The USAA was the first American bank that allowed customer to the deposit a check by the upload a digital photograph of it through their phone. Bank also save the money and also customer have the save time when they use banking on demand. The next example about the Zip car, they also has the build new business model by the car rental. Every car for the Zip car, they also have the box setting that send the data back to the company regarding the car location, like the my driving engine performance, amount of gas in the tank, and battery charge, the networking this car over the internet. Although the company to the offer unique responsive service to the customer. And when the customer wants to rent the car, the customer no has to wait in the line, no insurance for the paperwork, no face-to-face registration at all. Customer simply log into the website and choose a preferred car nearly by day. And the next topic is about the harness the crowd. The first example about the Evernote is an example of cloud computing, the practice of the storing data and running the computing application on the remote server located in the cloud of the internet. The customer are already familiar with webmail service like the Hotmail or the Gmail, which give their email box in the cloud. You could access them or from any web enable machine in the world or from the simple lightweight netbook or the smartphone. For the next example about the Coca-Cola Enterprise, with the distribute Coke beverage in the North America, they use the mobile cloud computing platform to keep in touch with the 12,000 merchandise who the driver is the product in the field to the retailer every day. The platform allows the merchandise to enter data on their delivery as it stop and tag their package via the GPS in their phone. The result that the information allow the company to better allocate merchandise, reduce their driving times. This the Go mobile access to the digital network has us to the predicts for the ability to post any question wherever we stand and receive a near instant answer. Just watch anyone with a smartphone and is the browser point at the Google. This about example of the Go Mobile. The share shop your pay is the initiative link mobile commerce website and the retail store to the providers for the customer with a wider length of the purchase option. Customer who order a product by phone and arrange to pick it up in the store with an easy curbside pickup. For the file location, the mobile computer can mail pinpoint like the GPS that can have a chain for the something we talk like the LBS or the location-based service, including the tag location, photo, and other document or the many kind of the service advantage from the location awareness. This is the example of the file location with the device phone. They have the application for the user can search for the nearest restaurant, what the setting parameter, and the specific like the network popularity and the price language one that customer they want They can pull up the menu for the nearly bistro and read customer review as well. After dining, they can give their own thumb up or down within the app, put a video or put a photo, and after that, write a review and share it with their Facebook friend with one click. For the real-time service, Twitter search offers a true real-time window into the conversation on customer network with a third-party dashboard application like the TweetX company can follow trending topic of the interest as well as user comment on their own products and their brands. This is the example of the real-time. Real-time data can be applied to the specific information needs of the customer network as well. When you have the weather for podcast for the update for the tomorrow, what you shoot for the wear clothing, and also the mapping and the traffic service like the Israel Web will offer the real-time traffic analyze that can feed into the driver navigation system. And another example, the ebook like the Kindle and the Notes, they also the download. Use the iGoogle homepage with a variety of the widgets to the display up-to-date sales data, as well as new feeds, social networking update, email, and instant chat. For the embed the network, the developer can create applications that allow the medical device like scan can quick to the introduce an application for the device management. With it, the patients who need to test their blood sugar level and inject insulin throughout the day can transmit glucose reading automatically to their phone. Easily track their diet, calculate how much insulin to take, and even should transmit their progress to their physician or the family. Okay, sorry. And the next example about the ebooks like the Kindle and the notes, they also download and sync the books and the data in the books throughout the wireless internet connection and share data and content without the needing a computer connection. And the last one is talk about the keep it simple. Customer demand that the network access be the most simple. No one wants to pay for the difficult experience anymore. Or our digital world is already so complex with so many platforms and the device to make through that the customer gravitate toward any products or the service with the fewer feature and any easier model is duty access to the digital world. This is the example about the Keep It Easy, like YouTube. They has already made the online video incredibly popular by the making access simple. Its strategy was to lower the bar somewhat on the image quality and focus on the making video incredible simple to the create, embed and share in network. Suddenly, anyone with the digital video footage filling up unused on their computer could easily share it online. For the future of access, as more data shift for the real on the web, our network experience will focus less on the search of the related static content and more on the live interaction. A new hardware for the self-charging phone will allow us to always stay online, receiving on the expect arrive time of the next train as you approach a station or the pick up Bluetooth signal from the passing store. This is like our new experience, or we call it AR. That will allow us to the reiterate right rail right sorry just post the online and offline world. User can hold up on their phone, and on the screen you will see that the 63 in front of them coming to the phone camera lens and overlay with the floating maker and the digital information about the surrounding. This is the key to the asset strategy for the first one, the offering on-demand service and content, using cloud computing to make data accessible from any device, offering the mobile access for the phone and the portable device, using the location awareness to the better target and the communicate, provide a real-time feed of the critical data, the embedding network connection in the new product. Focusing on the simplicity and easy of the digital interface. Whatever the approach, the digital access is largely about the speed. You want to offer the most viable, flexible speed choice among the computers. And you want to offer the most viable, the flexible, speedy choice among computers, right? And next, your business is focused on the better digital asset, both within the outside your organization. You are well on your way to the delivering value to the customer network and earning their business and their loyalty. The best way to communicate with the customer network is to provide the value content and information so that they will engage and spread the word widely among the others. Okay, that is all of the chapter 3, and next I will present about the chapter 4. Okay, and next we will talking about the chapter 4, about the engage, become a source of the value content. The engage strategy, the customer network say to the engage with the content. The content may be the complex, useful, or the entertaining. See the moment while the multitasking or the totally interesting. The digital media, such as a game, are the rapidly become mainstream as a network of the customer by the interactive content. New technologies such as AR can combine online and offline world. Engaging with the digital content, interactive, sensory, and relevant to our desire or needs is an opportunity for the business to adapt, connect, and deepen customer relationship by providing them with the content they seek. The second customer network strategy for business is engagement strategy. This content can be funny, entertaining, or extremely helpful. It can be the content that the business produce, create, or the sponsor. The engage strategy can help the organization achieve key business objectives, including the communicating to hard to reach customer, driving the direct marketing sale, and also the generate customer lead. This talking about the age of abundance. For the today's anyone with the internet access and a consumer device like a digital camera or a mobile phone, it can share them with the world via the online store. The resource has been described as growth or the information overload. Nowadays, we are faced with a lot of content and a lack of the interest. We have moved from three national TV networks to 100 of the cable channel to the endless internet because the customer attention is between these options. Advertising large to buy a smaller parts. The engaging content continue to attack a large audience online. The new opportunity emerge, more opportunity open to the company. Direct access to the customer without the intermediate. But the challenge is that the being able to engage the network of the customer with the content is both harder and more valuable at the same time. And next about the malleable bit. For the previously, if you want to read the app in your city, you must to pay to buy the news. Classified as announced available as a separate service. And each section of the local newspaper must attract viewer with its method. The fragmentation of this medium also poses a huge challenge to the advertising. Long times ago, the television can force large viewers to watch the commercial, including in the program. But for nowadays, many of the commercial are now can skip by the viewer using the digital video record or the watching online TV content. New the format and technology offers some opportunity to the engage, to the encourage customer to out of the skip app. But the change has changed. The customer are increasing uninterest in the having their life interrupt by the advertising. The engaging the format for the first one is talking about the sensory. Customers seek out the rich media that a broadband internet is now able to provide, including the video, audio, map to navigate, and the plentiful image. And the next, interactive. Customers seek the content they can interact with rather than just the consume the passively. They want to the search for the keywords, exploring panoramic view of the planet at all angles and resolution in the Google Earth. For the next, shareable, customers don't just want to experience content on their own, but they want to share it with the author in their posts or video on their blogs. The impact and create the opportunity for the viral effect, carrying the content to the many more the customer than you could reach on your custom on your own. For the measurable, some of the more sophisticated customer in your network will enjoy doing more than just passing along your content. They will want to the mess up are the college of the digital age. Portable, the customer prefer to the content that is accessible and portable if they can download it for the later viewing, the subscribe to it on the podcast or the video cast or the access it through their phone. This to increase the opportunity on the likelihood to the engage with it. Very insight and the link is used to that list the media content over the internet for the greatly limited. And the length is what not feasible to the deliver video longer than 3 minutes. Length now should be determined by the content itself and how the customer seek to consume it. This is the 5 approach engage strategy. By the looking at the business that have the successful create content that both engage customer network and increase their connection to the business and its brand, we can see the 5 approach to the engage strategy. For the first one about the try vending, not the selling, offer a story, entertainment, or the compelling idea that you can link convincingly to your brand rather than trying to sell products or service directly. And the second one, offer the utility, provide content and the interaction that helps solve a problem or answer a critical information need for your audience. And the third one is show personal page, engage customer by the showing a personal side and 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 authentic voice in the digital content rather than the objective and the authoritative voice of the institution. Focus on the particular, focus on the niche audience and the specific need and interest rather than trying to engage every possible customer with the same content. And the last one, make it a game. Use the interactive Kobe pay off the online game to the engaged customer for fun, education, and the relationship building. This is an example for the try banding, not the selling. Tom Dickinson, they show his high the power blender. He put them to the test by crashing everything like a loss of awareness about that blender. Since shot, the video can attack over the 80 million views. Visibility is not bad for the band that never buy a TV spot. The Bentech Blender video they provide customer with a very enjoyable experience. They build a positive relationship with the brand in connection with the concept. And next example, the world, right? The fish growth, they create about the show how to turn the diet coke, the bottom, and the menthol into the expanding proteins to drive the million of dollars in the additional sale for the menthol and the diet coke. The customer are looking for the entertainment. It's not just like the hard sale for the game. This is the offer the utility. The most effective way to create content that the audience will buy is not it's not like the creative, funny, or the entertaining. Maybe sometimes it's just useful to provide the content that solve a problem or the answer an important question for the audience. Like the Dell laptop, they have the produce like the advertising. They focus on the today lifestyle and work in the data security in the cloud and even a lot of the best coffee shop to the work to the customer. And rather than creating the style of the advertised their laptop, they engage the most in sorry, in society and the and influential laptop user with the helpful leveling the content that is supported. This is an example about the craft. They create the iPhone Assistant phone app. For this app, they can offer the 7,000 recipe that can be the brought by the meal type, key ingredient, or the length of the preparation time. With their digital shopping list in hand, the customer can search for the nearly grocery store via the GPS, back at home step by step, and instruction and the instructional video aid in the preparing the recipe, which happen to include the healthy sampling of the craft manufacturer ingredients. And this talking about a show of personal face, the content that engage with the customer is more likely to be the expect and share within a customer network. So the best corporate blog have a personal perspective that are clearly written not by the nameless communication official, but by the exclusive or the CEO and the personality. This is the example of it. In the picture, he named like Gary. He have his wide rivalry TV channel, and Gary give his daily wide review in a like the nature, script and the edit way, offer through on the appreciation of the why and answer question from his friend on the Facebook. And nationality fostering the passion to the engage with the audience. They have the growing a model royal audience demonstrate the power of the two personal voice to the engage with the customer network. And the next example about the personal story can also attack the client in more the conservative, such a part of the healthcare. There is the Methodist University Hospital in the Memphis has the begin to use the digital media such as the blog, Twitter, or the Facebook and the YouTube to communicate with a stakeholder. One of the most effective of these, the Methodist patient can share their story and even their procedure by the emphasize the story and real experience of their parents, of their patients. This is about the focus on the particular. The organization trying to create increasing the content success by the select of the potential customer and the creating the content they find the most interest and the course memorabilia character and attending or the curious about the character event present about the information like the commemorative bottle and showcase the personal story of the brand mini character. This like the Messi, a leading of the bicycle manufacturer with a royal following, write about traveling to teach show around the world and post link about the restoration of the vintage Messi bikes along with the street art, the photograph linked to the bike stuff for the motorcyclist and clip on the favorite band of stock of the rider. And next example, when the Mercedes-Benz want to increase the appeal of the brands among younger audience, this focus on the create content for the specific group, the group of the musical tastemaker. The Mercedes-Benz is the long-running mixtape become one of the most popular site for into no music lover because it's constantly discover exciting emerging artists in the independent music scene. The growth of digital gaming offer the important opportunity to consider how business can engage with the customer network. Gaming have a shift from industry that cater to a young male audience to into the industry that reach men and women of the various age of group. The company in the kind of the industry use the brand's game to produce engaging content for the customer. Game are found on the website of the customer brand from the beverage, like Mountain Dew into the automotive, like the Mini Cooper. This is the example of the Nissan Velvet Cube Party boot up for the iPhone to allow the user to drive the street in the taxi like the cube bar, to pick up the friend in the multiplayer mode, adding the music and finding their way to the evening hotspot just in time. Gaming is more than just a platform for the race car, avatar, and the cute animal. However, it's also a unique class of the experience for the engaging customer based on the interaction, goal, and the frequently competition, agent or player, oneself, or the game. The gaming technology is being used to bring the greater interactive to the other media that are not a simply game. The currently web content page creates of the between the interactive and rich media. Text and simple image can incorporate significant interactive for the user, but the richer media that is parent, the startup like the Innovate are the pioneer in the technology to make the online video more dynamic engaging. The speaker in the foreground with the video background that can be the instant design, including the dynamic element that user can click to move or to modify or learn more from this. This emerging technology will provide a new opportunity to the integrate brand to the engaging digital content and create an experience that the customer will engage with and share with the other in the network. Key to an engage strategy, the design to the engage with the relevant sensory and the interactive content is at the heart of the customer network. And engage strategy can help you cut through the clutter of the media message and build a powerful relationship with your target audience. The successful approach to an engage strategy, including the first one, the offer a powerful story or the idea link to the brand rather than selling directly. And the second, providing the utility to the customer by the helpful solve their problem or the information they need. And the third one, the showing personal face and authentic voice in the digital content. And the fourth one, focusing on meet the audience and their particular needs and interests. And the last one, using the gaming to the engage customer in an interactive goal-based experience. Okay, thank you. That's all of the chapter 4.